BVSD's School Age Care program has been offering childcare for kindergarten through 8th graders since the pandemic began. Our program has safely cared for children with distancing, strict protocols for cleaning, masks, outside time, and hand washing. When families arrive at SAC, each child goes through an active health screening, so we know they are okay to participate. Our program adapted as we moved to online learning. We work with your teachers and school to help your children with their classes, sessions, and homework. While your children are online with their class, trifold dividers keep them from being distracted by other students and increase safety. In addition to online learning assistance, kids can choose from 7 fun and engaging learning zones after the school day ends. Through all of the current challenges, SAC children are safely getting the emotional and social development support they need.